Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial where we'll be guiding you on how to make money with FreeCash. FreeCash is a great platform where you can earn extra cash by performing certain tasks and getting rewards in dollars. So for example, right here on FreeCash, you can see there are different tabs. You can see Earn, My Offers, Cash Out, and Rewards. Now, if you're interested in making money, this is what you'll need to do. If you're a beginner just starting out with FreeCash and you're getting to this dashboard, you'll be required to fulfill the first 3 tasks, which are paid of course, in order to unlock others. As you can see right here, some offers are locked, start other offers to unlock more. So you get to start with any of these. So you can see right here, Crypto Miner Tycoon, play and earn $2.38. Then for the second option, you get to earn $3.51. And for the last or the third option in this first stage is to play and earn $6.93. You want to also pay attention to the platform where this is applicable. As you can see right here, iOS, Android, iOS. So you want to make sure you're having these apps on your mobile devices. And if you don't have the iOS, of course, you can stick to the Android. But it's great when you have both so you can play and actually get your rewards. You can also see more incentives here. For example, it says play for 5 minutes and earn up to $20, right? So these are more incentives. So of course, as you're going through and you fulfill these first 3 tasks, you have others unlocked to you. And then of course, over time, you'll be getting offers under the My Offers tab, and you'll be able to go on these offers and get your rewards. So of course, after earning some rewards, you can go over to Cash Out in order to get your cash into other accounts out of FreeCash. You have 3 options. You have Stake, PayPal, and Visa Prepaid. So of course, these are the most popular options. Then you have crypto, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Solana, and Dogecoin. And of course, you can see the minimum for each of these payments. And then of course, before you're actually going into select an option, you could of course preview your balance in order to know what you need to withdraw. Now, of course, another option, if you'd like to earn here on FreeCash and make money, you can go over to the rewards tab, click on it, and then you can see that it's a drop down. You can see quests, bonuses, and invite friends. If you click on invite friends, it will take you to this page and you can see right here your referral link. You can copy this link and share it on your social media platforms and have others join in to play and earn here on FreeCash. By doing this, you get a 5% commission for every referral you successfully make. Of course, you could copy the link right here or go ahead and share the links on any of these popular social media platforms. So these are the steps to follow if you'd like to make money with FreeCash. Do let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.